Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the problem of no audio device installed or found in Windows 11. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the Services, and click on Services into the search bar. The Services window will open. Locate Windows Audio in the list of services. Double-click for the Windows Audio option, and select the Automatic option for Startup Type menu. Then click Start and click Apply OK. Close the window. Click the Windows icon and go to Settings with click. Click on Windows Update from the left navigation pane. Clicking Resume Updates or check Updates to find the option in this location. Now download and install the audio driver on your computer. So wait for a few minutes. After installation, restart your computer and check the audio driver and device. Open Start. Search for Device Manager and click the top result to open the console. The Device Manager window will open. Select Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click on the microphone array and select the Update driver for the menu option. Then click Search automatically for drivers. Locate Sound, Video, and Game controllers in the list of services. Find your device's audio. I'm using the USB audio device, so right-click here and select Update driver from the menu options. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, select Edit Control Panel, and click to Sound New Interface. Go to Sounds tab and select Windows default menu for the sound scheme options. Then click Apply and OK. Close the window. Restart your computer. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow, and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.